Let's practice the letter sounds. A, apple, A. B, butterfly, B. C, caterpillar, C. D, dinosaur, D. E, elephant, E. F, fish, F. G, goose, G. H, heart, H. I, igloo, I. J, jelly bean jar, J. K, kite, K. L, lollipop, L. M, mouse, M. N, nest, N. O, octopus, O. P, pumpkin, P. Q, quilt, Qu. R, rainbow, R. S, sun, S. T, toothbrush, T. U, umbrella, U. V, volcano, V. W, watermelon, W. X, exclamation mark, X. Y, yo-yo, Y. Z, zipper, Z. Practice the letter sounds daily to learn how to sound out words. These delightful alphabet pictures can be purchased from scribblesanddots.com.